Hello, my name is Arslan, and we are discussing about this web scraping of Indeed.com and Dexi.io. So, in previous video, part 3 for Indeed.com, so we have made our Indeed robot and we tried to run our robot, but it failed our execution. So if you want to web scrape your data of Indeed.com, so please check all of these videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3, and this is the part 4 we are making. And we got the problem of proxy in our previous video, so I will just open it. So I open this robot and we have a proxy problem. So I will go to the settings, and here you can see that the proxy. So when you will click, you will get a model display the select proxy. So we have, and when you will get the slow request detected, so you don't want to ignore your request, you just click on the wait for all requests. And these are the proxies actually. One proxy is for Europe and one proxy set for the US. So Indeed.com site belongs to US sites, and we will use when you will click on that, it will color this model and you will close. And here you can see that we have Dexi US proxy. So I will save the robot and go back to the project. So let me execute it now. So we will check that our robot runs successfully or not. If we will get any problem, so we will solve it by checking the logs actually. So you have to read the logs very clearly if you want to make progress in web scraping with Dexi.io. So I will so here we will click on the data. So here is that we are getting the title as we got that, description same as that, location, and one thing we got the job type, so and the company name also. So we have our data and it's continuously running. So I will just stop it for now, and here you can download it. This is the one way to download the data, and if you want to go to dashboard, then here's the data option also, download option also. When you will click on that, you will get different downloading options: XML, spreadsheets, comma separated, workbook, tab, XML, mini JSON, and if you scrapped any images, so all of these images would be in this attachments. And if you want to use zip CSV, so here I will use the CSV file. So I just click on that and we will get, and I will double click on that and you will check that we will get our data. So this is a complete understanding of the Dexi.io robot making process. So in the meantime, I can tell you about the configuration different modules. So we will go to Indeed.com and we will go to, if you want to schedule your robot, like here I have 8:16 a.m. so I will use it. So actually you have to change your default time zone. So there are different time zones and the locations. these are the Africans time zone. So I will use it for every hour and at the time of minute 18. So I will use account default UTC, and when you process all of these things, you just need to save the robot and it will display on the dashboard. So here is, as I said to you that my local time was 8:16 a.m. now 8:17, and that's why it's showing that robot will run after 1 minute. So we will check that robot will run after 1 minute or not. And another thing, till that thing we will check other things in our configuration, like go to configuration. uh, so we have active scheduling and maximum attempts, error handling. So if your robot is, suppose if you are using a robot which is failing your robot many times, like there are difficult sites like the zillow.com, they uh, actually stop your robot after some, and if you want to scrap Google Maps, actually they will block your. And so here you can set the maximum attempts. Suppose they fail one time, and if you want to rerun your robot 5 times, mean every of execution will attempt five times. So you can save this also. And okay, so these are the maximum attempts I will. And if you want to make screenshot of on failure, so on failure always never, so I will suggest you to use on failure actually. So this is the integration part. If you want to get your data from any Google Sheet or any Amazon S3, so you will use this. So here I have staging API, so I just click on that and it will integrate into this robot. So I will go to dashboard and we'll check that is it working. Yes. So here you can see that after 58 minutes it will run it again. So in this video we actually cracked the robot with the proxy problem, and we use scheduling for a robot. So please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button, so you'll get a new update from new videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.